Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today it's a beautiful Saturday morning here in the UK. Today I want to do some retail arbitrage on Costco. I will try to find some stuff to resell. First thing, I want to have one of those packages to drop off to be collected by the courier. And if you like those type of video, please smash the like button. We always dropping value on this channel. We try to entertain you. I don't know if I do a good job on that, but I'll try my best. So this is the plan for today. I think I need a haircut. Yeah, I need a haircut too because it's kind of grow too much. So I'll try to find a hairdresser for that. So stay tuned for that and let's go. Okay, I'm here at the COP. I will drop off this parcel, and also I have the hairdresser that is close to this area, so both ways it's convenient. I'll drop it up here. The hairdresser is too busy. There is too long of a queue, so I don't have time to waste sitting on the queue 2 hours. Maybe I'll come tomorrow morning. On the Sunday morning, people, they're sleeping, so I'll come tomorrow morning for my haircut. Now I'm going straight to Costco to find stuff to resell. So yeah. Why is always so much traffic in this city? Always traffic. Oh my god. If you recognize the area, let me know in the comments below, and you'll know. If you are from London, I think you recognize it, but won't be hard. So I find the product. This one is it. Actually, this one which I was already selling it. You see it before I drop it off. I'm gonna buy all of them, so I will own the entire supply chain. And yeah, because it's in high demand and it's selling, so I'll buy them all. I'll go to drop it off at home, and I'll look for something else. Is how many there are. The thing is empty here. Okay, I take them all from this Costco. There are 11 or so, and I will want to see the people react. They usually, when I buy too much of the same product, they react very strangely. So yeah, I will see. Okay, I finished to download them. 11 of this. I will fix it up properly later on. Yeah, 11 of these, not too bad. I'll make like at least £20 each profit, pure profit, after all the expenses like diesel and ship it and everything. And it's like £200, 220 at least. Not bad for 1 hour work. Not bad at all, right? And yeah, this in the worst case scenario, £200, because if I sell it like cheaper, it's this money. But normally, that's why it's the reason why I buy it. Also, it's not gonna be supply anymore. I'll be the only one have it, so I can raise the price. So I may make £40 on each one, and in this situation will be £400 for 1 hour of work. Not too bad. Yeah, this will be in the future. It's not gonna be tomorrow. Maybe it will take 1 week or 2 weeks or even 1 month to sell this, but 1 hour of work, at least £200. So this is like what multi-million-dollar company salary, right? This situation, like, you're not gonna find very often product that you can resell for such a big margin, but when you find that, make sure to take them on, buy them on. Now I'm going to go from on to another Costco's to to buy more stuff because I'm selling it and I want to make money off of this. And also I will, one reason why I buy them all, I want to undercut the drop shipper. And basically what this means is people, they find this product on Costco, they list it on Amazon without actually having stock. When they make the sale, they go to Costco or they place an order on Costco online and they put the customer address, and Costco ship it straight away to the customer. But if I buy them all, Costco, they're not gonna be able to ship it anymore, right? When they make the sale, if they go to Costco, oops, they're out of stock. They try to place an order online, out of stock, so they will have to cancel the order. And Amazon won't like that. They'll say, why this guy posted this item for sale if he canceled the order, right? Amazon won't like that, and you'll get in trouble. So if you want to start doing what I'm doing, please, please, please don't do drop shipping. Please don't do that. You'll get your Amazon account deactivated, and it's not worth it. Even if it's a lot of channels out there that promote drop shipping, drop shipping, drop shipping, if you go to read the terms of service from of an Amazon sellers, Amazon won't like that. They will ban you immediately if they find out that you drop ship. So this is the best way. You have control on your shipping, you have control of your item, you have control of everything. And yeah, a little lesson here. Now I'm going to the next Costco, and I'm sure I'll find them more of this, or I have other items as well that I know they're profitable and they are in high demand, like on this time of the year. Okay, I find what I need. Look at the stock. There are probably, I don't know, 30 units here. In my car I can fit like 15. So yeah, I buy as many as I can to fit in the car. So I'll reduce the supply also in this Costco too. Yeah, let's go to work. Okay, this is the money that I pay for those 14 units, so it's 13.77, and I get, you have earned 22.95 cash back, so that's awesome. And this is the benefit to be a business customer to Costco. They give you 2% cash back on their product. So your card should look like this. Black one is the executive member, the black one. Also you can add someone else for free, so a second person for free. And this cost, I think, £50 per year or something like that. So the deal is good. You get 2% cash back up to £500, so not more than £500. And yeah, last year I get the £500 cash back, so basically I 10x my investment, right? I invest 50 and I get 500 after 1 year. Yeah, I think it's a pretty good deal overall, and it's count for everything. Like if I buy food, if I buy stuff to resell, if whatever that I buy, that's, I think that's have VAT in it, I'll get 2% cash back basically. And in the end of the year my subscription will be free, and not only that, I'll make £450 profit off of my subscription. So that's a pretty good deal. Finally finished, home sweet home. I download all the stuff, and yeah, it's pretty much it today. Now I'm going to hit the gym, and I will see what I'm going to do like later on in the evening probably. Yeah, I have to go to my niece's birthday. So yeah, this is the video for today, guys. If you enjoy it, Please smash the like button and subscribe, and I see you in the next time. Bye bye.